Hi everyone, my name is Navneeth and I'm currently working as a business development head in Haris&Co agency. Before that, I was studying at Haris&Co Academy, and before that, I was doing my MBA in Pondicherry University as well. I'm coming from Calicut. That's it. While doing my MBA itself, I was focused on marketing. I loved marketing, and when I finished my MBA, I was applying for digital marketing jobs and all. But the response from the digital marketing agencies and companies was you have to do a course or you have to do an internship like that. So I chose Haris&Co Academy since I know Haris Abubakar for a long time through social media. Basically, whenever I say I'm a business development head right now, people used to ask me, "You are a digital marketer. You studied digital marketer, and why a business development role?" So basically, in this position, it's not just business development. We should be very, what we say, we should know every aspects in digital marketing. Then only we can do this role. So this academy and this all the sessions I have learned from the academy helped me a lot for in this current job role. So the thing about Haris&Co Academy is that it's not just mere education. Actually, wherever we go on institution, they will just teach us. But here we have an opportunity to work with the experts. Actually, this Haris&Co Academy gives an opportunity to learn from the people who are actually doing this. The best part about studying is the people I met through this 4 months period, I will say, because Haris&Co Academy facilitated a lots of people to come to this place and sessions with them, and also the employees in Haris&Co agency itself. That was like we are talking to some people who are valuable for our future, and the connections I could make at this time period was also it was incredible. Definitely, I will recommend this course to the people who are ready to choose a digital marketing career themselves, because this is a place not people push or the tutors will push you to learn. This is a place where you can pull yourself to this field.